Hey guys, welcome back to the channel again. We've got the Adventure Kings fire pit. It's an unboxing, it's already out of the box. First impressions, comes in a canvas bag, has a little pocket at the front here, probably for fire lighters and things like that. We'll just open it up and have a look at it. Apparently it's 3mm steel, and we'll just put it together and go from there. All right guys, here we go. We're going to do some measurements on this little puppy here. So we'll work out, how big this bit is in the middle. And it is, did you get that? Yep, 38 by the depth. That's the overall depth is 16 centimeters. The overall height of the unit is 28. So that's not too bad. Few things of concern. If you look inside here, there's no holes for a bit of ventilation, for cross ventilation if you've got a bit of heat beads or charcoal on there. So yeah, I don't know how that ought to go. Seems reasonable build quality. We did find it a little bit flimsy up this end here. We found it to move around a bit there, but no, time will tell. Seems all right. It's not that heavy. Two handles there. You won't really be picking it up from here because it will pull out. So I'd say if you're going to lift it from here with your gloves of love. So we don't know how many heat beads that would take. The idea of something like this is that you pull up to camp, you have a couple of beers or whatever, you get your fire going, and you want to cook dinner. But you've got to wait, for hours for those coals to settle in. So light your heat beads or charcoal, pop them in here, and you've got an instant area to start cooking in. You can do your roast taties in there, marshmallows. We could even do nachos. We may even do nachos later on today, we don't know. All right, so that's first impressions. It's okay, it's never been used, fresh out of the bag as you saw. It seems okay. We'll pop some heat beads in it and maybe do a little cook up of some description. All right, we'll see how we go from there. Thanks guys. All right guys, we'll pop some heat beads in here. Seems to work all right. Well, metal, it should. As I said before, I still reckon it needs some holes either over end to get some air underneath your coals to get them cooking. Bit of a disappointment, but yeah, maybe they should put some slits in there or holes at the end. Seems all right. So basically, you could cook off of that if you wanted to. You have your Oz spit across the top there, which we have done on my mate's fire pit, which he's got a King's one, so seems to be all right. I got this tray. God, I can't even remember where I got it from. It's a cooking tray. I think King's sell something similar. We just found out that you can use it either way, like this, and it actually sits straight across the top. The legs won't get used, so you can do your choppies on one end here, or your steak or whatever, cook away. Obviously, give it a bit of a clean before you use it. Don't use that straight away, that's for sure. Do your bangers, your eggs, your bacon. Seems to work all right, so that's not bad. It fits on there quite nicely actually. But yeah, so we'll see how that goes. We'll give you another look-see at it in about a year or so. We're going to do, we might even do a bit of a cook-up with this one tonight. So yeah, my little boy wants nachos, so we might make some nachos up on the fire pit for him. He loves his nachos, the little boy. All right guys, so that's it. First impressions, okay. For 70 bucks, really, how can you complain? 3mm steel, holds up all right. But as I said, a little bit flimsy up here. We feel it's a little bit flimsy at the edge there. Could be a bit stronger, but it's only 3mm steel, so can't expect much. Comes with a canvas bag. Adventure Kings or Kings, love them or hate them, it's helped a lot of people get into the camping gear. So yeah, there you go guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Hit like, subscribe, and ring the bell for notifications as I've been told by somebody. Don't forget. All right, like, share, see how we go. Love to get 100 subscribers. You get 100 subscribers, you get to look at me. And before that, no way you're going to see my big buff head yet on YouTube. So like, subscribe, ring the bell. Okay guys, see you later. Thanks, bye.